Now, in fact, let's shift our focus to the Mahakumbh Mela, which is a spiritual spectacle held once in every 12 years. It is not only a religious gathering, but a deeply cultural and social event, with people from all walks of life coming together in the pursuit of spiritual enlightenment and redemption. In fact, it is the world's largest public gathering and collective act of faith. This time, nearly 100 million devotees are expected to throng Prayagraj to bathe in the holy Ganga. Considering the mammoth scale of the event and the kind of gathering, the logistics of organizing the Mahakumbh Mela are staggering. Authorities need to manage an enormous influx of people, as the event has become a test of modern infrastructure. State-of-the-art system, including artificial intelligence, are now in place to ensure the safety and the security of all the devotees, and efficient crowd management strategies as well. The Mela authorities will be using robotic fire tenders for the first time to enhance fire safety at the world's largest spiritual gathering. The firefighting robots will be effective in controlling the fires in narrow and congested areas where traditional fire brigades are unable to reach. It is the last mile connectivity that in fact is also being highlighted here. My colleague Arzu is on the ground tracking the preparations. Here's a full ground report. Let's take a look.
With the traditional rituals, there will be a showcase of the advanced technology in the Mahakumbh Mela 2025. And this is the first time when the robotic fire tenders will be used to ensure the fire safety at the Mahakumbh Mela 2025. Right now, I'm at the fire service where these examples are being given how these robotic tenders are going to perform. I have with me Deputy Director Mahakumbh Mela Aman Sharma, who is going to tell us how these equipments are going to work at the place, the world's largest gathering, where the thousands of devotees will be arriving to be the part of the auspicious occasion of Mahakumbh Mela 2025. Sir, thank you so much for talking to NewsX. Sir, how much, performed, how much ready are the fire service is to deal with these challenges that are going to come or can happen during the Mahakumbh Mela?
Kumbh Mela present a very unique challenge to fire and emergency services in the sense that we have a score of hutments, we have score of tentage, which is having lot many flammable material which is used for the making of it, for the usage also, and this being in the winter season, so there will be extensive use of electrical equipments and all that. So keeping in view of that, we are having a very quick response vehicles here, so that our minimum response time that we are planning to achieve is between 2 to 3 minutes. So we are all integrated into the communication network in the sense that we have a ICCC integrated communication and command center, and beside that, as far as the response is concerned, so we are having latest state-of-art equipments which are available anywhere in the world with the fire services. So we are employing them here, right from the fire boats to the fire robot to the fire bikes, and we have fire quick response vehicles. So and we'll be employing around 2,000 plus personnel here. So that's what we are planning to achieve in this, so that the first and foremost endeavor on in this whole mega conglomeration of people is that fire should not happen. Yes. So we are stressing on.
Sorry to stop you. So this is about how the robot is going to work. The robot tender is going to work. Sir, please tell us about how it is going to function.
Oh, this is basically a remote control nozzle, wherein we can, where the human intervention is not possible because of the seriousness of fire or something. So this can go, this can move, and it can move into any kind of terrain. It can penetrate into the tentage. It can go inside and extinguish the fire. So this is one of the innovations, our latest inclusions in the fire department. So this is what it is. We are employing 2 of them. in this.
Also, sir, we can see the size is also very small. So, this will also help to reach anywhere where these big, big vehicles can't reach.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. I mean, it can penetrate through the tents, it can penetrate through the structures and go inside. So basically, the whole idea is that we should have, all hazard response. I mean, whether it's a small fire, whether it's a big fire, whether it's a chemical fire, whether it is any kind of other situations. So we are equipped with all kind of equipments, and
Would like to show these visuals also. This is a demo that is right now we are showing you on the visuals, and you can see the pressure of this water, and you can see this area also. They can be increased, this can be decreased, and you can see that these have been. Yes, you were telling something.
yeah, this is it's a novel equipment. I mean, wherein when we have spread it, so it contains the spread of fire because of there are a lot of radiant heat. So we don't want the fire to spread from one direction to other tents. So therein we use this, and it has got specially these small छोटे वाले चलाइए. This is This is just to control the smoke, so that this works as a cooling mechanism also for this it's terrain, so that it can penetrate through the hot surfaces also.
Yes, so these are this is a robotic tender that is going to use. You can see the water is coming out from this particular area, and these are the small point that is also being made to control the smoke in the area, to prevent that the smoke doesn't spread all over across the area. So this is the demonstration that you have seen on these visuals. Also, sir, how many these robotic tenders will be deployed all across the area of Mahakumbh?
Right now we have two robots. Yeah, so we'll be employing them in the Khada areas, which is most vulnerable to fire. So this is a kind of secondary response. So the primary response is more about our smaller vehicles, and this is our FQRV. Call it the Fire Quick Response Vehicle. So this will be also in one of the first responders, wherein we are employing them at all the fire stations. In total, we are having 70 fire stations in the Mela area. So these vehicles, along with the fire bikes, these all will be employed in each and every fire station. And we also have all-terrain vehicles. So this is basically, Mela is into Ganga's basin, wherein we have a lot of sandy and slushy areas to navigate there. So to attend the fires in these areas, so we have got this all-terrain vehicle.
Okay, so we will also going to show you the more equipments that will be used to ensure the fire safety in the entire Mahakumbh area. So there was a demonstration that is being given. So advanced technology with the tradition rituals that are going to happen at the Mahakumbh. I am Arzu Seth with video journalist Himanshu Negi for NewsX in Prayagraj. So the fire department is all prepared to tackle with the challenges that are going to come ahead of the Mahakumbh 2025. And behind me you can see these are the equipments, these are the vehicles that are going to be used in case of any fire emergency. This is the ATV vehicle, look like a sports car and very interesting to see, and how it is going to work. We are also going to the experts. We will be talking to them, and this is the fire bike. These are the commandos that are going to run it, and how it is going to work. There will be thousands of fire commandos equipped with the several equipments, and we will talk to the officer who is going to tell us about how they are going to function and how it is going to work. Sir, thank you so much for talking to NewsX once again. And sir, these are the, this is the power that this time the fire department has prepared to tackle with the emergency situation. So how these are going to work?
This is basically an all-terrain vehicle. This is meant for navigating all kind of terrain, whether it's a slushy area, whether it's a sandy area, whether it's a hard surface. So all of the Kumbh Mela area is on the river banks, and we have got hutments littered everywhere. I mean, in the close density. So we are using this, and these are the vehicles imported from Germany. So basically, this is not only able to navigate. Can we go over there?
Yeah, yeah.
Navigate all kind of terrains, as I told you, but this is equipped with the cutting tools. So these are the basic cutting tools. It can cut through. Our person can go and cut through any kind of obstacle which is there for extricating the person from inside and all that. It has got firefighting capability. That these are the CAF fire extinguishers, and he can take the backpack and he can go inside and he can just extinguish the fires. There's the small fire extinguisher here. So it will be the 2-person will be having this crew in the 2-person crew is there. So these are also employed in the main areas where a lot of sandy terrain is there. So we are having 4 of them.
These can go on the sandy lands.
Sandy landscapes, so it can navigate and it can reach very quickly, where other vehicles like motorcycles or bigger vehicles cannot reach. So this is our one of the endeavor to approach all kind of terrain. What's that possible?
And this fire bike we can also see behind you. How this is going to work?
This fire bike, this is our first response to any fire emergency. So again, there will be 2 fire personnel in this, and this has got a fire pump here, as you can see. These are the water tanks here. These are the water tanks, and this is the fire pump. So they go there, they employ the engine, and then they start the firefighting. And there will be continuously on patrol all across the Mela area. And it will be for any kind of emergency that we receive the call from. This will be the first response, and the second response will be the fire quick response vehicle. So these 2 vehicles will rush. So the whole idea is to nip in the bud the situation where it doesn't escalate beyond a point. So that is our first response.
Also, if we talk about, is there any a special number that has been released by the fire department for the Mahakumbh Mela?
For any kind of emergency, there's 1920. That is the universal 1920. That is quick to remember. So any person can call from there. So it's and they can also approach any fire station, any person who is there, all the stakeholders. So it's very easy to approach, very easy to communicate.
Also, anything that you want to tell to the public to ensure that they should not do this type of, to prevent from the fire-like situation? Any message you want to give to the public to remain cautious about?
Yes, one of the primary reasons of fire that we have analyzed in the previous kumbhs and such kind of melas is that the indiscriminate use of the smaller cylinders. They bring it for their cooking purpose, and those cylinders, either they have to use the ISI mark cylinders only. The regulator has to be in a very also from a listed company. And also we would request everyone that there is extensive use of havans and diyas are being lit, deepaks, So we have seen that deepak being left burning, and they leave it, and then subsequently, because of the neighboring, some cloth catches fire or something. So deepak has to be put on a metal plate. It has to be put on either on a dug up small, in the sand. They dug up a small this thing. Then they put the deepak inside. So these are the few things which, if they cautiously do, then it can prevent the fires from occurring.
I can understand these events are challenge for you people also. Is this a important, or we can say close to your heart also, Mahakumbh? How did you see Mahakumbh?
So Mahakumbh is a unique congregation of mankind, and the biggest in the planet, and close to 40 crore people will be visiting this place. So her whole endeavor is to ensure that no untoward things happen, Nobody goes with a sad face from here. Everybody comes here with a lot of their emotions and religious. It's a religious congregation, so it is more towards spirituality and humanity. So we are serving with the same purpose that we leave no stone unturned to ensure that fire safety and at large the safety in that our police department, especially our ADG Bhanu Bhaskar Saab is a lighting guide for us. So he's guiding us, and we are doing all the things which we can.
Thank you so much for talking to. So there you heard Aman Sharma, Deputy Director Mahakumbh Mela, and he told us about the every aspect that is the fire department doing, and also they are leaving no stone unturned to prepare themselves for this situation if they occurs in the case of the fire emergency. So there you saw the power that are the advanced technology that are going to work at the Mahakumbh Mela 2025. I am Arzu Seth with video journalist Himanshu Negi for NewsX in Prayagraj.
अरे ऋषि आज